Children, welcome to biology session. Today our topic is discovery of penicillin. Last class we have already started what is antibiotic. So penicillin is one of the antibiotic. In this class we are going to learn who discovered it and how it is being discovered by him. Procedure we will know today. Okay? Yes. See, observe the photograph. He is Dr. Alexander Fleming. He was an army doctor in First World War. He observed that many injured soldiers died because of bacterial infection of wounds. So when they are fighting, when they are in the war, definitely they will be affected with some wounds, right? So he observed many bacterial infections. So he was working on antibiotics in his laboratory. One day he clearly observed that some fungi were preventing the growth of bacteria in the petri dish. So, in which he was growing bacterial colonies. So, fungi is preventing bacterial colonies. It is preventing the bacterial growth. Colonies are nothing but groups. Okay, these are the petri dish. He observed that. He separated the substances released by the fungus and tested it on some other disease causing bacteria. This substance also killed many other diseases causing bacteria. So, which is released, the substances which are released from the fungus are killing bacteria. So, the mold or fungus separated was identified as Penicillium notatum. So, the substance which was produced by fungus, Penicillium notatum, is named as penicillin. So, from Penicillin notatum microorganism, we are getting penicillin. Substances that kill bacteria were generally named as antibiotics by Dr. Fleming. So, this penicillin we are getting from Penicillin notatum. Substances that killed bacteria were generally named as antibiotics. So, any allergies or any diseases, if it is the causative organism is one of the bacteria, then the substances which are killing that bacteria, like fungi, just now I said fungi was killing bacteria. So, those are named as antibiotics by Dr. Fleming, Alexander Fleming. The discovery of antibiotic penicillin was announced in 1929. In 1945, Dr. Alexander Fleming was awarded the Nobel Prize along with other scientists like Howard Florey and Dr. Chain B. Chain. So there are many scientists who was awarded a Nobel Prize, but Alexander Fleming also one of the scientists who discovered penicillin. The discovery of penicillin paved the way to discovery of many antibiotics like streptomycin, erythromycin, these all things. So, after this discovery, there were many other discoveries going on antibiotics. Okay, so one more thing. Important point, children, it is who is the inventor of aromycin? It is one of the antibiotic. Dr. Ella Pragada Subba Rao. He was born in West Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh in India. He discovered aromycin, that is nothing but tetracycline. Antibiotic it is, which cures number of bacterial diseases like typhoid, plague, tuberculosis, these all diseases. So it was discovered by Yelapragada Subba Rao. After Alexander Fleming discoveries, many discoveries came out. Clear, children? Yes. So can our body prevent the diseases without using antibiotics? Yes, antibiotics do not work on virus, children. See, coronavirus, HIV, AIDS virus. Antibiotics will never work. There is no medication for virus. So, still inventions are going on. So, such as those that cause cold, flu, bronchitis, and running nose. Even if the mucus is thick, yellow, or green, these all things. So, bronchitis is nothing but inflammation of bronchus. Bronchus is a part of a lung. Antibiotics are only needed for treating infections caused by bacteria, but some bacterial infections without antibiotics also it can be cured. And what are the disadvantages of antibiotics? In addition of antibiotic resistance, overusing of antibiotics will lead to a problem, children. So anything, excessive use of anything is not good. Antibiotics kill many bacteria which are present in our digestive system. Okay, so it may spoil the healthy digestive system also. So sometimes taking antibiotics can cause a person to develop diarrhea due to lack of good bacteria that helps digest food properly. Diarrhea is nothing but loose motions. Okay, so that may lead to that because there are some useful bacteria present in the intestine of human body, so that these bacteria will help in the digestion. If these antibiotics are killing the useful bacteria, then who will digest the food? So there will be definitely some disadvantages with antibiotics. Overusing of antibiotics is not at all a good process. Okay, I hope you understood the class. Let's go with the assignment part. What are the disadvantages of antibiotics? Write the inventions of Dr. Yellapragada Subbarao. Write a short notes on Alexander Fleming. In Alexander Fleming, you write about all the inventions of penicillin, how it was invented and all. Okay, thank you, children.